back to another video. We're gonna do a very small, quick video. This video is probably gonna take like 5 seconds because we're gonna do an install on a antenna, a small stubby antenna. Got this from eBay. You can search it up. This universal antenna. It comes with an adapter. You can see the little gold adapters, and you screw it on. That's about it. So let's see. Alright, it just comes with your antenna. I got the black and carbon fiber, and then there is your threaded piece where the adapter goes. And it comes with adapters and a washer. Alright, now we have to remove our antenna. On these cars, they twist off. I think majority of the antennas twist off like this. So after the antenna's off, put that down there. We have to find out which adapter fits. So I'm gonna take a guess. We'll try this one. And it does fit, as you can see. So I am going to use a washer just because, I don't know, seems like a good idea, right? So we'll put the washer on. Hopefully it fits in all the way, or I probably, yeah, it's too long. So did I do it backwards? Is that the problem? I did get the longer adapter, which didn't work, so I got the smaller adapter. As you can see there. It'll be easier if I just put it on here. I can't do it with one hand, so next scene I'll have it on. Alright, I got the adapter on. Looks the same as the stock. I might have second thoughts of this antenna. Just twist it on, and you're done. And there it is. Stubby antenna. I personally don't know if I like it. Yeah. It might have to grow. It might have to grow on me. I might just stick back with the stock antenna. But well, I don't know. It might grow on me. I was trying to take this off earlier, but I couldn't. I didn't know how to do it. So everything can be black. I mean, if this is black, then probably it'll be okay. And my car's not done, so it'll probably grow on me later on. But there you have it, universal eBay antenna. If you guys enjoyed this quick video, give me a thumbs up. And if you guys are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you guys want this antenna, let me know in the comment section down below. I might just sell it to you guys for like $5 or something. Yeah, let me know. See you guys on the next video. Peace out.
Bye, have a great time.
Perfect.